Hello everyone. I wanted to make a quick video about ROCm 4.0 because in the hardware and support section I noticed that it seems that they're dropping support for Polaris chips. So I was curious to see if my RX 580 was still working. I won't go through the installation process because it's pretty much the same as for a previous version of ROCm, except that if you're using Ubuntu 4.04, don't forget to add your user in the render group. Also, they recommend a fresh install of 4.0 as opposed to upgrading from your previous version. So my RX 580 is on a remote server. First, we can double check the version. So as you can see, I have 4.0 installed. I had time to run only 2 tests. So the bandwidth test. The numbers are pretty much the same, except a bit lower. I don't know why. And the ResNet 50 test I ran for my previous installation of ROCm for comparison. Takes a while to start. You can notice the GPU is 100% and VRAM usage 96. Temperatures are still good. So we got close to 85 image second. So as you can see, it works. Not the best performance, but it still works. It's unfortunate they will stop supporting the RX 580 as it's one of the best performance price cards out there and one of the most affordable 8GB plus cards for machine learning. So considering the current GPU market prices, as you may know, are very high due to both demand by crypto miners and a shortage of supply from manufacturers. So the question is it time to sell your RX 580? As for my case, the answer is yes, I plan to sell it. And I would recommend you do the same if you have a spare card to use. Meanwhile, you wait for prices to get back down. Since this card will be of less use in the future, probably around next year, where I don't think it will work anymore with a ROCm ecosystem. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and press the like button.